Problem: find the equation of the straight line parallel to the line 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and passing through the point 5 comma 4. Solution: question is, we have to find the equation of a straight line which is parallel to this line and passes through this point. Given line is 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. We know that the equation of the line parallel to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Any equation of a line parallel to this one is in the form of ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the line parallel to the line 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 is 2x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Given that equation number 2 is passing through 5 comma 4, then what you will get? If equation number 2 passing through 5 comma 4, then this point satisfy the given equation, that is 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus k is equal to 0, that is 10 plus 12 plus k is equal to 0, that is 22 plus k is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to minus 22. Therefore, the required equation of the line is, substitute in equation number 2, we will get 2x plus 3y minus 22 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the line. Next question. Find the equation of the straight line perpendicular to the line 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 and passing through the point 4 comma minus 3. Solution: we know that the equation of the line perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Any line which is perpendicular to this line is in this format. Therefore, the equation of the line perpendicular to the line 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 is, here a is 5, b is minus 3. Just compare this one and this one. So we will get here minus 3x minus 5y plus k is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Given that equation number 1 is passing through 4 comma minus 3. then what you will get? Minus 3 into 4 minus 5 into minus 3 plus k is equal to 0. This implies minus 12 plus 15 plus k is equal to 0. This implies 3 plus k is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to minus 3. Now substitute this k is equal to minus 3 here. Therefore, what you will get? Therefore, the required line is the required equation of the straight line is minus 3x minus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. That is 3x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Next problem. Find the value of k if the straight line 6x minus 10y plus 3 is equal to 0 and kx minus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0 are parallel. We have to find the value of k if the two lines are parallel to each other. Given straight lines are 6x minus 10y plus 3 is equal to 0, kx minus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0. Let us take this one as equation number 1, this one as equation number 2. Now, here we know that the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are parallel if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Here, what is a1? 6, b1 minus 10, c1 3, a2 k, b2 minus 5, c2 is 8. Given that these two lines are parallel, then it satisfies this condition. That is, then a1 by a2 by is equal to b1 by b2. 6 by k is equal to minus 10 by minus 5. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 twos are. Therefore, the next we will get 6 by k is equal to 2. 6 is equal to 2k. 2 ones are 2 threes are. This implies k is equal to 3 is the required answer. Next problem. Find the value of p if the straight lines 3x plus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 7x minus py plus 3 is equal to 0 are mutually perpendicular. Solution. Given straight lines are 3x plus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0, 7x minus py plus 3 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. We know that the two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are perpendicular if and only if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. Here what is a1? A1 is 3, b1 is 7, c1 is -1, a2 is 7, b2 is minus p, and c2 is 3. Then now substitute in this condition. A1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. This implies 3 into 7 plus 7 into minus p is equal to 0. From these both I am going to take 7 common, so we will get 3 minus p is equal to 0. This implies 3 minus p is equal to 0. This implies p is equal to 3 is the required answer. Similarly, you solve this one as a homework. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if the straight lines y minus 3kx plus 4 is equal to 0 and 2k minus 1 into x minus 8k minus 1 into y minus 6 is equal to 0 are perpendicular. And the answer you have to get is k is equal to -1 or 1 by 6. Similarly, this one will be the homework. Find the equations of the straight line passing through 1, 3 and first one parallel to second one, perpendicular to the line passing through the points 3, -5 and -6, 1. And the answer you have to get for the first one is 2x plus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0, and the second one you have to get is 3x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. For this one you can refer the above problem, and for this one you can refer your notes. Already we have solved the same problem nearly 2 to 3 times. Next problem. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0 and making an intercept -4 on the x-axis. Solution: we have to find the equation of a straight line which is perpendicular to this one, whose x-intercept is -4. Given equation of the line is 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. The equation of the line perpendicular to 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0 is The equation of a line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Same thing here. 4x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Now I am going to write this one in intercept form. Now 4x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. This one I can write as 4x minus 3y is equal to minus k. This one I can write as 4x by minus k minus 3y by minus k is equal to 1. This implies x by minus k by 4 minus minus get cancelled plus y by k by 3 is equal to 1. Here what is the x-intercept? X-intercept is minus k by 4. Y-intercept is k by 3. But given x-intercept is minus 4. Given x-intercept is minus 4, then this one and this one should be equal. That is minus k by 4 is equal to minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled. K is equal to 16. Substitute k is equal to 16 in equation number 1. We get, substitute here, what you will get? 4x minus 3y plus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation of the straight line is 4x minus 3y plus 16 is equal to 0. Next formula, length of the perpendicular from a point to a line. Length of the perpendicular from a point to the line. The length of the perpendicular from the point P of x naught comma y naught to the straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is modulus of ax naught plus by naught plus c by under root a square plus b square. What it means? Let us take a straight line. I am going to take a straight line. This one is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let us take a point, this one, P. And now I am going to find, let us take a perpendicular line to this one and pass us through this point. I am going to take a line which is perpendicular, means making an angle 90 degrees with this line. Therefore, this line is perpendicular to this one and passes through. Now, what is this distance? Is this one. The length of the perpendicular from this point to this line is, the distance between this one is this one. The distance between this point and the line is this one. Problem on the above formula. Find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point given against the following straight lines. First one is 5x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 and the point is minus 2 comma minus 3. Second one, 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0 and the point is 3 comma 4. Third one, x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and the point is 0 comma 0. Solution. I am going to solve the second one and the remaining two will be the homework, first one and the third one. Let us solve the second one. What is the question? We have to find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point which is given here against the following straight line. Against the following straight line. Given straight line is 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. And the point P of x naught comma y naught is equal to 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. And here you can say here what is A is 3, B is minus 4 and C is 10. Now, the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point P of x naught comma y naught to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is modulus of ax naught plus by naught plus c by under root a square plus b square. A square plus b square, which is nothing but modulus of what is a? 3. X naught is 3 plus minus 4 into y naught is 4 plus 10 by under root 3 square plus minus 4 square, which is nothing but modulus of 9 minus 16 plus 10 by under root 9 plus 16. Modulus of 9 plus 10 is 19. 19 minus 16 is 3 by under root 25. Modulus of 3 is 3 and under root 25 value is 5. Therefore, the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point 3 comma 4 to the line 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0 is 3 by 5. Similarly, you have to solve the remaining two, and the answers for the remaining two I am writing here. The first one is 0 and the third one is 4 by under root 10. The first one and the third one answer I have wrote here, this one. Next formula, distance between two parallel lines. Distance between two parallel lines. The distance between the parallel straight lines ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0 is modulus of c1 minus c2 by under root a square plus b square. If there are two lines which are parallel to each other, then the distance between these two parallel lines is modulus of c1 minus c2 by under root a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Let us solve some problems on this formula. So the question is, problem, find the distance between the following parallel lines. In this first one, 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. Second one, 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. 10x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Third one, 3x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. And 6x plus 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. Out of these three, I am going to solve 2 and the remaining will be the homework. I am going to solve 1 and the remaining will be the homework. I am going to solve the second one, and the first one and the third one will be the homework. Solution. Given straight lines are 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, equation number 1, and 10x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now to use the distance between two parallel lines is ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. In both the equations, a coefficient of x and coefficient of y should be same. So here also I am going to make coefficient of y and coefficient of x should be same. This one can be written as 5x minus 3y minus 9 by 2 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Just I took 2 common and I sent it to right hand side. So here, what is a? 5, b is minus 3, c1 is minus 4, c2 is minus 9 by 2. The distance between the parallel lines ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0 is modulus of c1 minus c2 by under root a square plus b square, which is nothing but modulus of c1 is minus 4 minus 9 by 2 by under root 5 square plus minus 3 square. This one can be written as modulus of minus 4 plus 9 by 2 by under root 25 plus 9, which is equal to modulus of minus 8 plus 9 by 2 by under root 34, which is equal to modulus of 1 by 2 by under root 34. Modulus of 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 by under root 34, which is equal to 1 by 2 root 34 is the answer. 1 by 2 root 34 is the answer. Now answers for the homework problem. For the first one you have to get 1, and for the third one you have to get 1 by 2, and the third one you have to get 1 by 2. Now another homework problem, find the value of k if the angle between the straight lines 4x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0 and kx minus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0 is 45 degrees. In the previous lecture already we have discussed how to find the angle between the two lines. If we know already the angle between the two lines, then easily we can find the k value using the same formula, and the answer you have to get here is k is equal to either 3 or minus 25 by 3 is the answer for this homework problem.